Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the ringtone volume that gets low on iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro while receiving the incoming calls. Here is the demo of the issue. I got a call. It is ringing louder. As soon as I pick up the phone, the ringtone volume goes down. To fix this issue, go to Settings. Here, scroll down and find Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode. Scroll down till you find Attention Aware feature. Once you get it, disable the feature by turning off the switch. Now, whenever you get an incoming call, the ringtone volume will not go down. That's it for this video on how to fix the ringtone volume going down issue on iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.